Now from the area's certified most accurate forecast 10 years in a row, meteorologist Chad Raeflisberger.
Well, we have some active weather now developing just north and west of Green Bay. Let's get right to the radar to pass along a new severe thunderstorm warning. This runs until 5:15. It does include southeastern Oneida, a good portion of Forest County, and then the far northern portions of Lake County. So most of these counties just outside our viewing area, with the exception of northern Langley. The primary threat from this storm will be potential for hail around an inch in diameter. You can see this is radar indicated, and potentially some wind speeds up of around 60 miles an hour. So if you're inside this orange polygon that's flashing, this does include the Elko area up towards Monaco. Here's Highway 8, Highway 45. This goes eastward into Crandon, and then eventually the central portions of Lake County. Wabeno, you're technically not in this warning, as these storms will likely make their way north and eastward, and then maybe turn a little more to the east, once again the eastern side of this warning. The rest of us, however, under a tornado watch until 9 o'clock this evening. Again, a watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. So now is a good time to download the Storm Team 5 weather app and just keep up to date on the radar as we head over the next few hours. Certainly a summer looking sky here today. We have those hazy conditions, temperatures in the lower 80s in Appleton as we look westward on the Storm Team 5 Skyview camera. That lake breeze has kicked in along the lakeshore. Manitowoc, you have blue skies and a temperature of 70. Then a muggy 81 degrees with some of that sunshine late this afternoon in Green Bay. We're at 85, however, at the airport. In fact, we hit 86 not too long ago. That tied our daily record high temperature for today in Green Bay. It's 89 in Fond du Lac, 87 in Wapaka. Not only is it warm, but there's a lot of humidity in place as well. Dew points in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Once we get near 60, that's when we start to feel some of that humidity. So this is almost a Florida-like moisture in the air for today. And that combined with the heat is fuel for showers and thunderstorms later on today. So storms, as we just saw, are now beginning to develop north and west of Green Bay. This whole system will start to wrap up by about 10 o'clock this evening. With all that humidity, there could be some very heavy rain at times and maybe some gusty winds upwards of 60 miles an hour. However, I think the primary threat will be potential for some very large hail, over 2 inches in diameter, and given the wind in place as well, cannot totally rule out the potential for an isolated tornado. So you can see that lake breeze now pushing through the valley. East of that lake breeze, nothing but clear skies. Further off to the west, we have some clouds developing. Again, another look at the severe thunderstorm warning for far northern Lake County, southeastern Oneida, and a good portion of Forest County until 5:15. Also watching this little isolated storm trying to get going across southern Waushara County. Not severe at the moment, but we'll have to watch more of these storms trying to develop as we head to the next few hours. Most of the area under that level 2 slight risk category for the risk for severe weather here the rest of this evening. Main tornado threat just west of the valley, but again, as I mentioned, the primary threat for tonight, or at least the biggest concern, will be the potential for some very large hail. Watching another storm developing across northeastern Iowa. We'll be watching this area just through central Wisconsin for a few more storms to develop. And as we look at Futurecast, it does show those isolated showers really starting to get going here over the next few hours. Any of these storms as we head into this evening could be strong to severe, so make sure to stay tuned to Storm Team 5. We'll have more updates and pass on those warnings as they warrant. So your forecast for tonight, those showers and storms will come to an end during the mid to late evening hours. Some of them could be strong to severe with temperatures in the 50s. For tomorrow, drier weather expected, partly sunny and cooler. Highs in the 70s away from the water. Your 7-day planner has another chance for some rain showers early Thursday in 81. 82, a slight chance for a couple showers and storms Friday. We start to cool down then through the weekend with highs back into the 60s, but very comfortable and dry as we start next week. And again, if you haven't downloaded the Storm Team 5 weather app just yet, now's a good time to do so. You can set your location to get watches and warnings right on your phone. It's free on the App Store and on Google Play.
You took the words right out of my mouth this morning.